Welcome to Brainloop, your home for smart coding in science. Today we're diving into functions in Python and using them to analyze a real DNA sequence. By the end of this short video, you'll build your own function and apply it to biological data. Let's go! You just call the function and it runs for you. We define a function using def, like this. In Python, instead of repeating the same steps every time, think of a function like a science experiment protocol. Now let's create a real function that calculates GC content, the percentage of G and C bases in a DNA sequence. The function will take a DNA sequence as its input or argument. We'll store this in a variable called sequence. This is important for understanding stability in genetic regions. Inside the function, we coding-driven science community right here on Brain. Thanks for watching. Count the number of G. The function will return true, otherwise it will return false. We'll use the built-in start and end functions to check for these sequences. S and C, hit like, subscribe and comment your favorite gene below. We'll visualize this DNA data using pie charts and bar graphs. S using the len function and divide it by the total length of the sequence. Python is your lab assistant, helping with mutation detection, gene prediction, and more. Functions make it efficient, clean, and powerful. Then we'll multiply by 100 to get the percentage and return the result. Now we can test this function using a short DNA sequence. Let's build a smart. You'll see how it quickly gives you the GC percentage, a basic but useful research task. Now let us add another function that checks whether the DNA starts with a start code in ATG or ends with a stop code in TA tag or TGA. A function can have multiple inputs. If any of these sequences are found, we'll also share our first digital product, a beginner-friendly Python toolkit for science students. Check it out at the link in the description. With just a few lines of code, you've analyzed a gene sequence. In the next video, if you found this helpful,